Hey friends, it's Sarah with Home for Humanity Real Estate and Services and the host of the Home for Humanity podcast. I want to wish you a happy solstice. This is the last few moments of light before the longest night of the year. And it's a good time of the year to reflect about what kind of year it's been. Has it going the way that you wanted it to go, or what unexpected things happened that maybe put you more toward or further away from, I like to say, dreams and what we imagine our life to be. And that's actually a fun line of work that I like to dance in, is between the state that people are in and the state they want to be in. And so I have a few gifts to give away in honor of the holiday spirit. Actually, these are people who signed up for my HomeBody newsletter. If you came to the Novelty Hill Holiday Market the past several weekends, it's been happening since before Thanksgiving. I was there the week after Thanksgiving, and so I collected some emails to raffle off a gift bag that I will show you now. This one will be like the bath blend. I have a postpartum sitz bath. There's lots of healing herbs in here for postpartum, but it doesn't have to be used just for that. It's a nice bath with salt and oatmeal and herbs. This one is just herbs that you keep in a sachet, hence the name tub tea. You just leave it in the sachet. You don't have to strain it out the way you would loose leaf herbs. This bag is also from CMG Home Loans in Duval. This one is sponsored by Angie Litwack and her partner Paul from CMG. They are lenders that can help you with all of your questions and financial things that you have to get in order before you come to me, and I help you find a place if you're interested in co-housing or buying or selling, but that's another subject. This is gifts for the holiday season that also came from Angie, so thank you to her. There's the grocery bag. This is also a play mat. This is a little, like, take it to the park and unwrap it, and it's like a little play blanket. She also threw in a phone charger. And last but not least, for your bath time relaxation, I have a tincture blend here that you could pair or not with the bath blends, but this is a nice relaxing blend that you can do during the day or in the evening for relaxation. So now, the winner of that lovely gift basket. Thank you for coming to the Novelty Hill Market and for visiting all of the vendors there, doing some local Christmas gift shopping. Vanessa Wouters. Great! Thank you, Vanessa. That gift bag is for you. Everything that I just listed off. And the second gift bag basket for the second week I was there is actually sponsored by my friend Nick Bailey. Nick does lending all over, just like my friend Angie and the CMG team in Duval. They do lending all over Washington. My friend Nick has this water bottle to raffle off to you, as well as a phone charger. And for you, the winner of the second gift bag, you have a winter balm. I make lots of salve, and kind of like a salve is my very last salve and melt away candle. This is a candle that you burn down. It has cocoa butter, coconut oil. You burn it, you blow it out, you pour the wax in your hand, and it's great like hot oil massage. I love those. And then a little mud mask, as well as another tub tea and an incense blend that you can throw on the campfire. I call it campfire incense. And just like the last one more easy dreamer tincture, nice relaxing during the day, or helps you relax before going to bed at night and stay asleep. So the winner of that one is Grace. I know it's Grace because Grace is the only person who signed up for my newsletter that weekend. It was cold and rainy, and so many people came out to get a Christmas tree, and they were in and out of the barn where us vendors were, and Grace was kind enough to stay and talk to me in the cold. So thank you, Grace, and congratulations on your gift basket. Thank you, Daylight. Thank you, Light, for returning. I can't believe it, but this is actually, it's going to start to get lighter now. It's been getting darker and darker, and it's almost dark, and it's just now almost 4 o'clock or something like that. So thank you, Light, for coming. Thank you, Darkness, for being here. Thank you, Winter, for bringing us a time of reflection and gratitude. And thank you to all of my friends that I made this year. Thank you for coming to the farmers market where I first started to do these raffles. And thank you for all the people who are going to come to the 2024 workshops and classes. I've been talking to so many people and families about skills sharing days and nature connection classes for youth and all ages, and the ability to come together and have a multi-generational nature connection experience that is definitely to come in our area in 2024. Let's see, anything else that I want to mention? I will be offering classes both in Lord Hill Park in Snohomish and here in Duval next year. The Home Scouts, the weekly classes will start in the spring and continue through the fall. So I think that's all I have for now. It's going to be a busy spring, so if you're interested in buying or selling in the spring, talk to me, give me an email, shoot me a text. My number is everywhere. So, or you can email homebodystewardship@gmail.com, both for things herbal related, and if you're interested in land stewardship, both with homesteading and how to find community and land and a home to do it all on. Give me a shout. I'm your home girl, home woman, plant lady, herbalist, naturalist, community educator, and real estate agent. So hope you have a wonderful New Year's, happy 2023, and here's to a wonderful and beautiful 2024. Thank you very much for being here and joining me on the journey.